Alright, welcome back to the bench. Today you can see I have a pile of components, parts, whatever, for a project that I've been saving up for a while. Okay, I bought several parts. I think I have everything except for bumpers for this project. So bumpers will be the last thing one of the last things that goes on. So bumpers and a winch. So we are going to, you are going to watch, build a project based on the Element Enduro Builder's Kit 2. Okay. Now, as you can see in front of me, I have a set of foams. They are called soft foams. They are two-phase foams for 110 millimeter wheels. Tires are 1.9 wheels, made by Injora. This will be my foams for this project. I placed one inside of a Super Swamper to see if it would fit, and it works perfect. So we're going to have Super Swamper tires and light, soft, I should say, two-phase foams. Okay, so 4 tires, 4 forms. I also have wheels made by Injora also. And they are D-locks. And they are a copper or orange or pumpkin, whatever you want to call that. Okay, and black. They call it orange and black, or black and orange. But those will be the wheels that we do, 1.9 wheels. Those are also made by, they say, a company called Globact. Same thing as Injora. Okay, so those are the wheels that we'll be using. Alright. I'm using my standard 25 kilogram steering servo. We may change that in the future. I just happen to have that laying around. I'm going to use that as a servo. We have a Radiolink 2.4 gigahertz RC6GS 6-channel gyro integrated, 600 millimeters ground distance. I have another one of these. I have the 3. This is the 6. So we'll see this, because I'm going to put a winch on this. I'm going to put lights on this, and all that good stuff. So we need, and I think we'll need more than 3 or 4 channels. So this will be the Radiolink that I'm using. I'll have a list of all these parts in the description. Okay, we're going to use a Hobby Wing Quick Run Fusion SE. I have a 1200 here. I'm going to try the 1200 kV. I've had the 1800 kV. I got that in one of my crawlers. I got 2 Pros in my Vanquish and in my Rift. I like them. So I'm going to try this one. Lower KVs, more torque. This is going to be a crawler, a rock crawler. Not a trail truck. This is going to be a rock crawler. Okay. The radio and okay. We're going to be using the Enduro 1/10 scale rock crawler builder's kit 2. Okay, with a few modifications. But this is going to be the basis for the chassis. For the axles, these are kits to redo the axles for that Enduro. Okay, these are by SSD. They're called Diamond Pro rear axle, the Diamond Pro front axle. Okay, axle housings, different gearing, different bearings, a little bit different, what do I want to say? Gear ratio but this is supposed to help the fairly decent axles that I already have. This is an addition to those axles. So we got the front and the rear Diamond Pro axles for the Enduro. So we'll be using those as an upgrade. We also have an upgrade for the transmission, or gearbox kit as they call it. This is the Stealth X gearbox kit. This has a built-in I want to say delay, but it's not delay. Oversteer, under gear, over. Wow, I can't think of the word. Overdrive or underdrive for the front wheels. Okay, so it has a built-in overdrive, and it's permanent. It's not shiftable. It's not changeable. It's there all the time. Okay, and this is the Element Stealth X gearbox kit. So we're going to be using that also. Okay. I bought some of this stuff from A-Main. They sent me some of their stickers. And last but not least, the body. This is Injora's Jeep body. Jeep in quotes because it's not licensed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still has 7 slots. And it looks really good. And as you can see, it is orange or copper or black, whatever. And it comes with a lot of parts. And this is the tube version. It's got tube doors, a tube frame, okay, and all of it here. It's got lights, it's got buckets, it's got windshield wipers, it's got everything, okay. It's got the tube frame, A-pillars and all that stuff made in black, okay. We got flat fenders, okay. Seats, interior, really nice. Interior, steering wheel, console, looks just like the Jeep console, air vents, all that good stuff. So, nice interior. And that is going to be the body. Okay, and I haven't checked, but I was curious how close the wheels come to the color of the body. And I would have to say that I am not disappointed. They look pretty good. They will complement the black and orange that we have already. And a good thing about this is I don't have to paint it because it comes pre-painted. And it's not too bad of a job. I mean, there's a few places where it needs some touching up with a little orange on the seat here, but a little orange back here. little orange here, but with a black touch-up paint, we can fix that up, make it look pretty darn good. So this is the project I'll be working on in the near future. Again, it will be a rock crawler. I'm also going to extend the wheelbase width by, I do believe, 30 centimeters or 15 centimeters per side, which comes out to about 6 inches if in the real world. Okay, so that it'll have the tires a wider width. Those are on the way too. So guys, I haven't named this project yet. I like to name my projects, but I haven't really named this one. I don't know what it's going to be. I'm thinking about Orange Crush or Pumpkin. I don't know. I got another project that I'm working on, which you guys have seen if you watch this channel, of a tough truck that I haven't painted yet. And the reason I haven't painted it yet is I haven't decided what colors I want. But I do believe it's going to end up black and pumpkin. Okay, not orange, but pumpkin. So I might call that the pumpkin. A pumpkin crush or something like that. I don't know. So this is the new project. I will be getting started on it, and I will pop in each week and let you know where I'm at and what I've done and anything I've come across with all this upgrade stuff for this project. I think it'll turn out to be a pretty good project. This is going to be what I call a little bit of serious rock crawler. All my projects in the past have been like one-to-one, like a copy of my 2012 Dodge Ram, my wife's 2018 Recon, Jeep Wrangler, JK, not the new GL. And then I built a rock bouncer, and I also have a 1996 Toyota 4Runner that I used to own. I also have a Formula One off-road truck, a mud truck, a mega truck, and a monster truck. Okay, and a rock bouncer. And all of those I've built as a kid. So, if you have any comments, questions, post them, and we'll see what it looks like in the future. Thanks for watching. You all have a great day.